butterfly method says that we multiply the numbers that are across from each other. So we would multiply the 4/3 and the 5 and 5 and 2. And then you multiply the two bottom numbers together. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Go ahead and pick a new color. It's going to look like 4 times 3 minus 5 times 2 all over 5 times 3. And I'm using the same colors so you know which parts go with what. Okay. Now, all we have to do is multiply it out and then simplify. So 4 times 3 is 12, so it's going to equal 12 minus 5 times 2, which is 10. And that's going to be all over 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay. Now we simplify. 12 minus 10 is 2, and we have 15 on the bottom, and that's our answer, 2/15. Okay, so you multiply the numbers that are across from each other, and then subtract them, and your denominator is going to be the two denominators multiplied together. All right, that's the butterfly method.